Profile Bending Technology Limited was launched in 1991 in Weinfelden. By designing revolutionary new profile bending machines, the company was able to become market leader in a very short time. Today, Profile Bending Technology Limited is expanding into over 60 countries around the world. The development of our products occurs at our headquarters in Weinfelden. Assembly and the successive tests are performed there too. We also train our customers at headquarters and will handle the export of the machine for them wherever it needs to go. The PBT controls were developed in-house from beginning to end. It's a standard piece of equipment that can be adjusted to customer specifications. Some well-known names from throughout the world are among our customers. Profile Bending Technology Limited. Bend it like the pros.